So the PAL EBM course is a fantastic idea for product owners because ultimately product owners are the entrepreneur, the mini CEO of a product. And if you want to be making good decisions about which bets to make on the success of your product, right? Which features to build, you need to understand the holistic outcome of your product, the whole product. And EBM, evidence-based management, can be used to look at a whole product and say, these are the metrics that we've decided in each of the key value areas, right? Unrealized value, current value, ability to innovate, and time to market. And once we've chosen those metrics, we can then monitor them over a long period of time and see that we're taking the product in the right direction, right? How do you know when you're going off topic, when you're going on a tangent to what your organization is trying to achieve? When you're off the beaten path? Maybe off the beaten path is the best place to be because you look at the data, you look at the metrics, and holy moly, this has been really successful, right? And then you need to have a conversation with your business about, well, we were going this way, but actually we think this way is a better way to go that's going to add more value. How do you know? How do you know to have those conversations with the business? How do you make those determinations? We need to understand what's going on in the product, right? We need to understand our ability to innovate. We need to understand our time to market, how quickly we can get things through to maximize our capability. As a product owner, you want to maximize your ability to deliver business value, right? That's your whole job, is maximize our ability to deliver value, maximize the value that we deliver. So our capability of our teams that are delivering value, right? Are we maximizing the throughput of our ability to deliver value? And then are we delivering the right value, our market value? Are we maximizing that? And how do you know if you're not measuring? That's why product owners like the PAL EBM, the evidence-based management class, is awesome to help you, give you extra tools to help you figure out what that is, help you engage with the rest of your team and bring them along on that story, and perhaps help you turn some of your developers from developers to product developers. If you want to have a discussion about your unique needs or situation, then please book a call or visit us at nakedagility.com. We also have our immersive and traditional public classes on our website, and we'd love to hear from you.